Welcome to our channel. My name is Ashish, and in this video we'll discuss about the intrinsic muscles of the hand. So what are the function of the intrinsic muscle of hand? First let us see that, then we will discuss about the names of the muscles and the trick to remember the different names of the different parts of the muscle, including the thenar eminence, hypothenar eminence, and the rest all other parts are there that we'll see. So what is the function of the intrinsic muscles of hand? Intrinsic muscle of hand adjusts the gripping power of, means it helps in the gripping. So it adjusts hand during gripping. The intrinsic muscles of the hand adjust hand during gripping or when you are holding something. Suppose I am holding this pen. So the muscles of the hand get accommodated in such a way that it provides a grip for the holding anything. So therefore intrinsic muscle of the hand adjusts hand during gripping and carrying out the fine skilled movement. Now at this time I am writing. This is skilled movement and it needs a lot of precision. Suppose I am writing the word fine. So where I have to put the dot is a precise movement. This is carried out by the intrinsic muscles of the hand. Therefore the intrinsic muscle of the hand has two functions. It adjusts the hand gripping and fine skilled movement is carried out by the help of this muscle, fine skilled movement. Now you will surprised to know that even though compared to the forearm or the arm, the size of the hand is comparatively very small, but it consists more than around many times the number of muscles. In total there are around 20 muscles in the hand. 20 muscles. Don't be afraid, these muscles name trick is very simple. So just watch the video till the end and you will be able to remember all the names of the muscles. If you are new on our channel, do subscribe our channel. So first start with the muscles of the thenar eminence. So first we are discussing about the muscles of thenar eminence. Thenar eminence. What is the thenar eminence and the hypothenar eminence? Let us discuss that. The eminence you see here, the bulge part near the thumb, is called the thenar eminence, and the opposite side near the little finger, the bulge is called the hypothenar eminence. So near the thumb it is called thenar eminence and the opposite side is the hypothenar eminence. Now let us discuss the muscles of the thenar eminence first, followed by the hypothenar eminence. To trick to remember the muscles of the thenar eminence is the fab pollicis brings opposite poles. So the trick is very simple. The fab means fabulous. The fab pollicis brings opposite poles. So what does the different words stand for? Let us see now. There are three muscles of the thenar eminence. So let us derive the names of the muscle with the help of this statement. The stands for the muscles of the thenar eminence. So let's start with the word F. F stands for flexor. So flexor. AB stands for abductor, which is the name of the other muscle, abductor. Pollicis stands for pollicis. All the structure related to thumb are called the pollicis or referred by the word pollicis, and for the thumb of the leg or the toe it is called the hallucis. So for the thumb of hand it is called the pollicis and for the great toe it is called the hallucis. So the name of the muscle is the flexor pollicis brevis. Flexor pollicis brevis. This is the first muscle. The second muscle is abductor pollicis brevis. Abductor pollicis brevis. Try to guess the name of the third muscles. Opposite poles. So opponens pollicis. Opponens pollicis. Like that we discussed all the three muscles of the thenar eminence. Now there is one more muscle of the thumb which is called the adductor of the thumb. It is called, the name of the muscle is adductor pollicis. So there is one more muscles of the thumb. This is muscles of the thenar eminence, and one more related to thumb is the adductor pollicis. Now let us discuss the muscles of the hypothenar eminence. Muscles of hypothenar eminence. Hypothenar eminence. As I already told you, this elevated portion is called the thenar eminence, and the opposite side near the little finger it is called the hypothenar eminence. So there are four muscles in the hypothenar eminence. So what are the trick to remember? The trick is prince brings orange from DG Mall. DG Mall. There is a name of a mall named DG. So the muscles of the hypothenar eminence in total are 4, and the trick is Prince. You can take it any name, Prince, Prem, anything. Prince brings orange from DG Mall. So how this trick will help us to remember the muscles of the thenar eminence? Let us see. The word P stands for, just make a correction here, it is the Prince brings fabulous orange. It is fab. Prince brings fab orange from DG Mall. So the word Prince stands for, it is palmaris. So the first muscle will be palmaris. Brings stands for brevis. The first muscle is palmaris brevis. Now next muscles will be like the previous one, fab. Fab means flex, and fab, F stands for flexor. The word AB stands for abductor, and O stands for opponents. That orange from O, it is opponents. Now let's see the name of the remaining three muscles. It will be flexor digiti minimi. Flexor digiti minimi brevis. Abductor AB, abductor digiti minimi, abductor digiti minimi, and opponents digiti minimi. So like that we have completed all the four muscles of the hypothenar eminence. Now let us see the remaining all other muscles, and the trick for learning the remaining other muscle is four pupil dip in leg. If you have been watching our videos, the word dip always stands for either in the leg or in the hand, dorsal interosseous and palmar interosseous. So let us see what are the names of the muscles. The word 4 stands for, there will be 4 muscles each of dorsal interossei, palmar interossei, each 4 dorsal, 4 palmar ossei, and 4 leg stand for lumbricals, 4 lumbricals. Like this we have completed all the muscles of the hand. So intrinsic muscles of the hand is completed. In the beginning I told you that 20 muscles, so total 12 dip muscles in leg. So there will be 12 in the third category, 4 in the second category, and 4 muscles in the first category. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel and share our channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.